Agent 5-5, Rescue 12 injury, 2960 West Broadway. Rescue 12 injury, 2960 West Broadway.
Metro, Rescue 12, delayed by train. Rescue 12.
Metro Engine 5-5, we need backup. Patient's belligerent, has his throat cut from end to end.
Agent 5-5, roger, backup. Metro from Rescue 12, would you like us to go emergency? Rescue 12, yes.
Yeah, Metro Engine 5-5, upgrade Rescue 12 emergency.
Agent 5-5, roger.
Any Northeast together to respond, identify for an edge weapon call.
We're still looking for that PR. You can call my staff.
Roger, 2XL14, cancel incident, 2595, 2846 handling. Backup identify.
No, shots fired off these help.
Guidance officer needs help, 2960 West Broadway. Officer needs help, 2960 West Broadway. Shots fired. Air unit coming on northeast frequency. 1240, roger.
Number 3, have units respond westbound on Broadway.
7126. Units responding, respond westbound Broadway only.
And Air 18, I'm overhead. I'm going to have one suspect down right at the apron.
Air
18, you be in the air, just verify that all officers are accounted for.
1130, verify all officers are accounted for.
You just hold the air, they're making contact.
You show code 4. Show 3.
Hey, real quick, guys, all officers are accounted for, correct?
Here on the help call, verify all officers are accounted for.
Traffic on Broadway, we'll call it. Eastbound traffic on Broadway, just west of the gas station.
Air unit is requesting 1 unit to block eastbound traffic on Broadway. Just at the gas station.
Yeah, second supervisor, please.
11L60. Roger, 11L60 is en route.
L70, watch 3, I'm not logged out yet. I'm heading up that way.
11L70, watch 3, roger.
And let me get that unit to Wilson and Broadway to block traffic. Hey, black and white coming up. If you can block that traffic so no one turns into that apron, keep coming and just block that traffic.
Air units requesting a unit to Wilson and Broadway to block traffic.
Right here, shit.
Yep, right there, guys. Thank you. Yeah, try to redirect them all together.
11L40. Can you get me at least 3 additional units, please?
11L40 is requesting 3 additional units, 2960 West Broadway at the Extra Mile gas station.
11L40, we notified LAPD. They'll respond for traffic control.
X26, we're almost code 6.
And it's LAPD will respond to assist with traffic control.
11X26, we have DOT respond as well.
Right, turn Verify you have a code 4. They'll respond only if there's a code 4.
Roger, so we have a code 4, Jack. DOT respond, help us with that. Right.
CP for them to respond.
We'll get one set up in a second, sir. Thank you.
Like, can I have L40 land on the watch commander, and also if ask them if they need the tent, so we can start rolling the tent.
1140, 1140, come in.
1140, go.
Verify, do you need the tent per L90?
Be advised, we'll be transporting the suspect to the hospital in a second.
40.
1140, negative on the 10.
1140, verify you're transporting the suspect to the hospital.
1140, suspect's being transported to Huntington.
At L40, your traffic is blocked. You have Glendale PD code 6, and you want me to get you a text?
L40, roger, thanks.
Northeast, did you get attacked for this incident?
Marina Roger, stand by.
Northeast units on the Northeast call. Switch to operations at Central Rear Attack 2, Channel 36, Central Rear Attack 2, Channel 36.